stick to stay stick, to stick to stay stuck, to follow, to link, and to follow. Stick, adhere. The word adhere has no meaning. Right? The first stick to means you make a move, I actively touch. To stick to me, I stay there, it's called adhere. Whenever you move, my contact with you will not move. If I go like this, it's lost. I do all sorts of adjustments, but whatever you did, I'm not going to let go. We stay there. And then I find opportunities to add, including lots of times this year I added a little bit. So if I go like this, you just do a little bit here, and you shake it. And if you do that here, because I'm moving, don't move. Immediately use this as a lever, this one comes in. Just, you have no power, but that position is crucial. That's why during the war, the general will say, at all costs, you put a man there. He said, like, why? Do not ask, put a man there. We got 50 men already died. He said, I don't care, I need a man with a machine gun there. So now, here, I need to touch here. And so whatever happens, I do this, now I'm here. Now you need to touch my quad. So, that's it. Now no more. Rotate your two hands back and forth, whatever that is. No, two hands are back and forth. And, can you see that? That move is useless unless your quad is already there.
Right.
The quad is there, waiting for that opportunity.
Right.
The key in Tai Chi is you always do things 3 steps ahead of time. I have no idea why you do that. No threats to me. Because you're predicting another move you're waiting for. Once it's there, you patiently wait until I push you. You make one move, I'm like this. 沾黏凉水, the key exercise for Tai Chi. How do we get there? Now we do this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now no separation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the boring exercises the old people do in the park. You follow this, you know the next step, you actually learn something. You can also say, this is all I want to do. It moves every part of my body, I can eat better. Both are good. So we do this exercise. 1, 2, little bit of a turn. Now grab, hold, there, little bit of a turn. We only do this exercise. Then once you know the steps, make it very smooth. Going into dangerous spots. Dangerous spots. So it's called, this type, more variations, it's called falling flowers. Falling flowers is in rhythm. Like whatever you feel, you might be turning that way, you might be walking this way. Now we go, you see, that's nice. We're doing this one, and then this time. So to start all of that, do the first pattern again. Okay? 1, 2 years, 3 years.